Hello friends, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle. Today is for the love of crafting. Our host is Rustic and Lace DIY and Crafting with Gigi. Please check out their channels and the amazing playlist. Today I've decided to take a Dollar Tree Valentine's Day styrofoam heart and turn it into a cute little chicken. And I'm also going to make her an egg to go with our little display. Okay, this is our Dollar Tree heart. Of course, it comes Valentine's Day. When I found mine, this was on the bottom shelf and kind of hard to find. We're going to this is school glue. You could also do Mosh Posh, but I'm trying to use up a thing of Elmer's glue, good old Elmer's glue. Trying to use up one of those. You can use whatever fabric you choose. I'm going to use some tea-dyed muslin on mine. If you had a really pretty hand-spun fabric or whatever matches your decor, that would work. The biggest thing is we don't want a ton of wrinkles. Then we're going to just trim. Then we're going to go on the edges, like right here. And we're going to fold those back. And fold those back. I try not to use hot glue if I can, because it'll definitely melt your styrofoam. And then just go all around your heart. Now we're going to start by gluing down our heart. And there's a little red that bled through from somewhere. I'm going to try to cover that up. Now I'm going to add some glue here. Let me look at my chicken. Okay, you can add a black bead. I couldn't find one. So I'm gonna just add this little sparkle bead. I guess she's a little more of a chic chicken. Let's add her a little bow, you know. Okay, here is the comb. And then the beak. Then we'll add the wobble. Okay, after doing my egg, I really like the lace detail I put on her. So I think I'm gonna add a piece of lace around my chicken's neck. Just to give her some more character. Here we go. I'm using low temperature hot glue. It doesn't get real hot. Okay. Let's make her an egg. What's a chicken without its egg? I'm just pressing the material down into that glue. And then I'll just just take the scissors and trim it off. Because you don't want that interfering with your egg to close with the top piece. And my big fingers keeps pulling it away from the egg. Then I'm going to do this side the same way. Just slide that down over the top. Okay, I have a little lace I cut off stuff, and I have some gaps. I have gap Moses on my egg, so I'm going to just use this leftover lace, kind of cover that up, make it look more finished. You could also use rope, which I was going to do, but I couldn't find my rope. But I think it'll be pretty with the lace. And of course, it'll just add another element to your egg. The eggs, you don't have to worry about hot glue because it's not styrofoam. You could also use ribbon to finish it. I didn't have any of that handy either, but black, and I didn't want to do that.